Quick and easy, 3-ingredient Nutella brownies. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making the easiest, ooeyest, gooeyest, richest 3-ingredient Nutella brownies. So let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while you're at it, line an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper, like this. As you can see, my Nutella is a little bit thick, so I wanted a nice runny consistency. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for about 20 seconds just to thin it out. So into a large bowl are 350 grams of runny Nutella, and we're going to crack in 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Now get that whisked together until it's nicely combined. That extra egg yolk makes these brownies really dense and rich. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt just to even out the sweetness and 68 grams of plain flour. Combine that all together. I like to switch to a spatula at this point just to make sure it's all combined. Now it's time to choose your own adventure. You can leave them plain, you could add in nuts, chocolate chips, M&Ms, whatever your favorite brownie filling is. But today we're gonna keep it nice and simple because I love them just as they are. Pour the batter into our pre-prepared pan and into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now pop these in the freezer for 1 hour or in the fridge for 3 hours, and then they're ready to enjoy. It's so fudgy. The Nutella has a beautiful chocolate flavor with just that hint of hazelnut underneath. And just that little bit of salt really has balanced it out nicely. These are so easy. They take hardly any ingredients, probably what you've already got in your pantry, and they're absolutely delicious. If you liked this video, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and share it with all of your friends. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.